guys, again coming back to the PZ classes. Here I am having so many students, and I know that they are doing so many mistakes. But still, there we are just making shooting their videos. We just want to just boost up their confidence and all. The video is for that who all are just watching the video, and they can learn how can we conversate with the people. How can we do the conversation with the people? That's important, guys. So it is not really that what mistakes are they are doing in the video. So leave it and ignore it.
So, what is your name?
My name is Parth Chaudhary.
Okay, so what do you want to become?
I want to become a cricketer
Why you want to become a cricketer?
because I want to serve my motherland because to win the matches and win the cups for my motherland. That's why.
Okay, so as you want to live your freedom or not?
I want to leave my freedom.
Okay, so what is your freedom?
Means my freedom is that I can go for my matches anywhere, and for my district matches anywhere I can go for this.
Okay, so what are your hobbies?
My hobbies is to play music and to play cricket.
Okay, so you like cricket
Yes,
and music.
yes.
Okay, so what about you know about cricket and music?
I know about the cricket is that the cricket is cricket is a sports that can be played about anywhere, and about your rules, and about your stumps, and about your pitch, and about your ground, and about music that I like to play classic music.
Okay, so you don't like other sports?
No,
Why?
because I don't interested in that.
Okay, but you play kabaddi, you play cricket, so you also like other games.
No, I don't interested in that.
Okay,
also.
so in which school are you?
I am in Sophia Convent School,
In which class?
7th. I'm in 7th
Okay,
class.
so you like to go school or not?
Yes, I like to go to school,
But some child is not want to go school.
but I know that I don't know their reasons. Some reason is different, and that's why.
Okay, so you know what is reasons
No,
to
I
go
don't know
school.
about that.
Okay. So as you like to come person or not?
Yes, I very much like to come Persona, and I also came last summer camp here.
Okay, so you are here for last summer camps.
No, I came here in last summer camp, and now I am coming from 2 weeks.
Okay.
I have been coming for 2 weeks.
I have been coming here from 2 weeks.
From before.
For 2 weeks.
Okay, so you have been coming for 2 weeks. So you learned something new or not?
Yes. What is your name?
My name is Hashim Khan.
In which school you are studying?
I study in KVS school.
KVS. Where it is?
It is located in Harsod Naka.
Arsun Naka. In which class are you?
I am in 6th class.
6th. Which sports do you like most?
I like kabaddi,
Kabaddi. Are you a raider or defender?
all rounder.
Are you all rounder?
Yes.
Are you play any tournaments or etc. matches
No.
for district and that?
No.
Are you play? You play also in ground that's with your
Yes.
friends? No.
Yes, I play with my friends in school.
Okay. School. You don't play in your grounds in your colony, and that's why.
No.
Why do you not have any court in your colony or that's ground?
Have but I don't. But I have no one to play kabaddi. But in my school, my friends says to play kabaddi, and I also.
So your friends did not able to come to your colony and your ground for playing to you.
No, but they both are live very far. So far, that's why.
Okay. You also don't go to their house for playing?
I don't know where is their home.
Okay. Do you like if you get the chance to play your tournament, so you can
Yes, I will go.
you will go. So you can have your freedom to go anywhere for your matches.
Yes, I have freedom to go anywhere, which is with my friends.
Do you like this institute?
Huh?
Do you like this institute?
Yes, I like this institute because this institute has that time I came in this institute that time I know nothing, but now I come, so I know everything about English.
Who is your favorite sir or ma'am in this?
Bhushan sir and Paliwal ma'am.
Okay. Do you came here in any time last time when you come here? Do you
I come July.
in July?
I came July.
Came in July.
I came in July.
In last year or now? Last year.
Last year.
Okay. Do you not like any other sports like cricket, badminton, football?
No, because you also don't like any sports, and I also don't like any sport.
Okay. So, do you like to study?
Yes, I like study. And you?
Yes, I also. Which is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Who is your best friend in your school?
Dhruv.
Dhruv. Okay. He is also a kabaddi player like you.
Yes.
Okay. So he is also all rounder.
Yes.
Also. ठीक है.
Okay. Okay. Who is your best friend in persona?
My best friend in persona. My best friend in persona in last summer guy Parth Bind and now Zavan Bia.
Okay. So, and school?
Mehul Shinde.
In which school are you?
I am in Sophia Convent School.
Okay, so someone give you chance. So where you want to go?
In all over the country or all over the world?
Everywhere.
Everywhere. I like to go to Ayodhya.
Ayodhya. In spite of Ayodhya.
I like to go to Prayagraj.
Okay. So this is your aim.